Now can you see it?
We can see it.
Let's just say a meeting chat. And put that to the side here. Ah, there it is. Oh, okay, good. Oh, great. Use the light. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Yeah, what I need to do is they have a page on doing backends. That's the one to look at. There we go. Let's see. As you can see, you have to have this prerequisite reading. So I've got to do all that crap. And then, as you can see, I've got to create a subclass of a target machine. In this case, it'll be a fourth machine. And then I've got to, now this is interesting, describe the register set of the target. Well, there are no registers in fourth. It's just, in the case I'm using is G fourth, which has the data, return, floating point, and local stacks. And then it says write code for assembly printer. Well, I have to fake that kind of thing. So as you can see, here we go. Target machine. Here's the, this is the thing right here. You can see, well, this is an example of a Spark target machine, which inherits from LLVM target machine. And you just describe all what you need in there. With exception, I'm not going to have a target as an info. Well, maybe not. And then I've got all these things, you know, like this thing. Oh, Spark instruction for info. Well, I'll do one for G4. And those instructions are obviously the fourth words. And then they've got, you know, frame info. Well, I don't have a frame. And we don't have any sub-targets and we don't have any registers. So it looks like it should be pretty straightforward. Then I got to do this thing called a data layout, which will be fun. And then this get module match quality, I don't think I have to do that. So as you can see, register the target, which is done here. And then it looks like I got C code. This LLVM initializer, well, I don't have that. Well, I may not, I'm not sure. And obviously here, register set classes, I don't have any registers in fourth. No, I don't have that. So as you can see, I've got a lot to do. But I would like to thank the person that brought that up in the last meeting. Instruction set, yes. That one I'm going to have to do. And obviously, all I have to do is just import, when you do words, just import those things in there. So, yeah, that might be a handful right there. So, yeah, as you can see, I got my work cut out for me. But if I can pull this off, this will really help. Because like I said, what I want to do is be able to take fourth and marry it to a preemptive real-time operating system. And because I can something called let's code out there and see how it works. So this has really worn me out. Like I said, this instruction mapping, I don't think I have to. Oh, here's the other beauty. If I do it this way, then I don't have to worry about the postfix, because obviously when you generate, G code, it's already in postfix mode. So that's a plus. So I think that might be different talk, guys. But like I said, I just have to get this stuff all squared away. And plus, one of the things is my television died. It was one that my uncle had. The guy must have got that like 2008. And I had to buy a new one, and it's bigger, a little heavier. And I've got the wall mounted, I've got the brackets mounted to the TV. Now I just have to muscle it up, and muscle the TV up onto the wall. I'll have TV then. So yeah, guys, that's about it for me. I'm unsharing the screen, and there's Brad. Okay, well, I know it's can anybody speak so I can just make sure that my
testing 1 2 3 testing.
Good. Okay.
Okay. Questions, comments? When you're further along, John, I'd be grateful if you'd I'm grateful for this presentation. Let's start there. What I'd like to see, if you're willing to offer it, is start from scratch, as if, when you have something working that you feel it's worth telling us about, start from scratch, maybe a couple of introductory slides saying, okay, this LLVM, right now I don't know what LLVM stands for.
Oh, it doesn't mean, it's just it's from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. It just came up with LLVM.
I'm saying for this future talk I'm preparing that you deliver,
Yes, I will. I
You know,
will.
start off from the very basics and assume that I'm an idiot and I don't know anything about anything, and tell
Yeah.
us what you're trying to accomplish,
Yeah. Well,
how
like I
you're
said,
going to go about it, you know, outlines and overviews, and
yeah.
you know, maybe even throw together some I hate to say the word PowerPoint, but what the heck.
I have LibreOffice.
Yeah, me too. I have open office of some flavor. I don't
Yes.
actually, on my work computer, I've got Microsoft Office, but my personal laptop, I use open office and it works just fine. But you know, some version of some PowerPoint like thing with all the details about what you're trying to accomplish, an overview, and then before you get down into the nitty gritty details, and tell us what you accomplished and how you went about it.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, it's just work and, all the stuff I have to do, getting my place somewhat normal, you know, it's a handful.
Well, I'm glad you overcame the barriers of actually getting yourself up on the screen.
Oh, yeah.
Edward, it's okay. So I assume that after with this folder, all is there anyone that has comments or questions from or other? Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Okay. In that case, it seems like we have a little bit of time left.